Need to log out of CodeRabbit? Here's how to do it. First, open CodeRabbit. Here at the left sidebar, you can see your profile and your username at the bottom. You can see sign out icon next to it. Tap on it to log out. Once logged out, your session will end and you will need to sign in again to access your projects. If you are having trouble logging out, try refreshing CodeRabbit or clearing your browser cache. How do you use CodeRabbit in your workflow? Let's chat in the comments. And that's it. You are now logged out of CodeRabbit. If this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.